What's going on, everybody? This is KD for the Wealth Wells coming at you again with another trading and training video. This video will be about perfect entries and exits. We're going to fine tune those entries and exits and discuss the trade on a macro level. We're going to really break it down to understand how to know if your trade is going to extend past your price level, when to get in a trade to know if a reversal or a retracement is coming, and how to know when to exit that trade. All right, we're going to do a live trade recap from the trade that we took just this past Friday in the Discord and show you how we got those monster 50% and more wins. This is how to get those perfect entries and exits to fine tune your trading. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are. You see the SPY chart here. We're going to review a trade that was made April 8th, just this past Friday in the Discord. Let's get the preliminaries out the way. Do yourself a favor, click the links down below and come into the Wealth Wells Discord. We are a Discord unlike any other. This Discord was not planned. It has grown organically. And we're here to help you learn how to properly day trade. Now, when you look at my screen, it's no secret. I do not have any lagging indicators on my screen. I don't use lagging indicators. There are three things that move the market. If you want to find out what three indicators do I need to effectively day trade, then watch this video. The only three indicators you're ever going to need, delete the rest. All right? But also, if you're, finding us for the first time and, you got a lot of people in the, market or training space that use lagging indicators and you want to know how is it possible to be successful without them, then you're going to want to come into the Discord. It's completely free. The main room is open. You can come in as long as you're not disruptive and you can start a conversation. I am live every single day, Monday through Friday, in the voice channel. Trading, training, showing folks how to trade. So I encourage you to do that. Come into the Discord, get the help that you need to grow. All right, click the link down below for that. But this trade here was made Friday, April 8th. And you know what? Let me bring up the Discord here. So just so that you guys can see, the call out was made at 9:36 at the open, inputs to next PT. So, by the way, when you come into the Discord, make sure you verify yourself, click the rules, roles, all that cool stuff, and then scroll on down and jump into the SPY only room, and you can hear the live call out and training as we go, right? All the action happens in this channel here, SPY only options, and then the general channel. But we've also got futures and business and all kind of things that we're discussing for the day, swing trades as well. Our bread and butter is SPY and SPX. So come on in and crush it with us every single day. But the call out was made here, inputs next PT profit target at 9:36. All right, so let's take a look at this trade here and see what made me really want to get into this trade. We did some pre-market prep at 8:50 every morning. We do pre-market prep, so everyone knew that I was expecting a move here, and with the break of a major level at 44753, we were going to short SPY to our next PT of 44639. Now, with this aggressive move, a lot of people kind of wanted to get an idea or understanding of if we're going to break through it and keep going down. Now, the reality is there were other things in the market that we don't have enough time in this video to discuss, but there's volume, there's volatility, there's other tickers, there's a number of things that we're watching in order to effectively day trade. So if you want to get the full training, then once you come into the Discord, you'll come down to this tab right here, one-on-one bookings. You'll click this link right here, which is our link tree to our trading. Now, after you click that, it'll take you to a external site here, and that site will help you navigate to which trainings that you need. Now, when you go there, you're going to want to make sure that you you can only start with 0, all right, or 0 and 1 combined, but you got to start at the top and work your way down through the trainings from 0 to 5, right? I also do live sessions where you can sit with me, view screen share, get one-on-one coaching throughout the day live. You will trade with me if you like, and you'll see how this is done, all right? But looking at the trade for the day, we know when the call was made in our pre-market, we already developed a thesis. We understood what we were going. We got the move, right? We got a break of a major level. The call out in the pre-market was, hey, once we break 44753 and we close underneath it, I am taking the next trade. So at 9:36, as you guys can see there in the Discord, we took the trade. So let me just bring that up here. Boom, 9:36 right there. The call out was made. All right, so we entered the trade and we took this all the way down. This distance was about $1 to our next PT here. Now, the question that many have raised is, well, how do I, know that this was the best exit? Now, obviously, looking back, it's the best exit. But how do I absolutely know? All right. So one of the things that I look for is confirmation to hold or close. Now, if you want to understand confirmation, what I look for to before I enter into a trade, that's no problem. Go ahead and click this video right here. Now, this video is going to tell you the 3-step system I use before I enter a trade. Every trade, 3 steps before I enter, no matter what. All right. But now, why don't we talk about a check system before I exit a trade? All right. Now, the overall goal is to take profit at my price level, right? This is a price level right there, 44753. And if you look at the type of candles, the wicks, the dojis, it's no coincidence that, hey, this is a good price level, right? We do get a retracement to this price level and we hold, it's being respected. This obviously is a good area of exit or entry, right, for the next move. So this distance between our 2 price levels, 44639 and 44753, this is about $1. So if you got a $1.30 or a $1.50 delta, you made 30% or 50% on this move easy. Easy, no problem. But maybe you want to play this more aggressively. Maybe you wanted to play the moves, each way. And that's no problem, because the way our active trader is set up, the way many of the traders in our Discord, the way we teach them to set up their screens in order to day trade effectively or fast, accurately, they can do that. We can do that. I can come in and out of a trade lightning fast. If you want to learn how to do that, go watch this video, right? This is our active trader setup, right? Best day traders use active trader like this in order to get those 100% wins. You can watch this video and learn what my setup is and how I can seamlessly enter and exit trades on the dime. Now, let's look at this trade here. We know that the call out was made to short this or to go into a put, right? We know that we were taking the exit. The exit was at our price level. But now, how do I know to really, exit here, that I need to respect my level? Well, one thing you can do is you can read the candles, and we teach candlestick trading and how to read candles inside of our training. That's covered in training 0, right? New well start here. So obviously when you sign up, you'll get that training, and you'll understand, looking at this price level, I'm on the 3-minute chart here, one key indicator that my price level is good. Remember, I'm on the 3-minute chart, right? So one key indicator that my price level is good is that I never break and close beneath my price level on the 3-minute. Now, I don't trade anything lower. I don't trade the 2-minute. I don't trade the 1-minute. But I'm going to challenge you. I'll bet you that if I go down to the 1-minute, looking at how these candles are forming, I'll bet you I still don't break and close beneath it. But I'll show you what I mean. Do you see how this candle is forming here, and the wick comes down, comes back up, we come above it, this candle forms here, it's right in the middle of our level, this candle forms here, it's beneath our level, but this little wick right there, can you see that wick? I'm going to try to zoom in here. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can really see it. You see that wick right there? Look at that. It's still touching the level. That little wick there, still touching the level. Then we've got a nice green candle coming in here to take us back up. And as we come back down, we never break and close. But let's test this theory. Let's test this theory. Now, I don't trade on the one. I don't advise anyone to trade on the one. But for demonstration purposes only, let's take a look at the one. All right? Let's go and take a look at the one. And what we're looking for is, do we get a break and close underneath our level on the 1 minute? We do. We get a break and close a handful of times, right? And this is a good indicator of why I don't take or trade the 1 minute, because the 1 minute can give you a couple of fake outs and won't give you the full direction, the full information behind the trade. Higher time frames are going to win. But in this example, you see how you have many breaks underneath, many candles whose wick and body is not touching the level. So I trade on the 3, and if you go to the 5, you'll even get, more information. But I trade on the 3, right? Now, looking at the 3, as stated, we don't break and close. So I respect my level. I trust my level. Because I don't have a break and close underneath this level, I would know then that a reentry in the opposite direction, once I get confirmation from the market, is a safe move, right? Then I get a retracement at a level. I know again, a reentry, once I get confirmation from the rest of the market at my level, is a safe move. So in this example, you could have traded this range here about 3 times, right? We took the first trade. We got out at our profit target. Our profit target held. We got multiple candles giving us confirmation. The market is giving us confirmation. The reentry is here, back at 44639. We take another dollar move to the upside. We exit. We hold, right? No break and close. No break and close. See it there? No break and close. We re-enter, and you hold it to your next major profit targets. So one thing that I am doing is I'm reading candlesticks and how they dance or work with my price levels. Wait a minute. Isn't that simply called price action? Yes, price action. That is what I'm watching. The price, the reaction, the stock's price to a level. Why is that important? Well, because there are 3 indicators, only 3 indicators that are needed to effectively day trade the market. Those indicators are called VVP. To get a little more information on those indicators, go ahead and watch this video, the only 3 indicators you'll ever need. But one of those indicators is called price action. Price action. And to understand price action, you have to understand how to chart properly, and you have to understand how to read candlesticks, and you have to understand how to read the market. But here's a beautiful example. When I see behavior like this, I've already respected a major level, and I see multiple candles on the time frame that I'm watching, not the 1 minute, not the 2 minute, 3 and above, and they hold at a level. I do not get a break and close below a level after a pretty aggressive move to the upside. I have a good indication that I can go ahead and re-enter this trade. Now, that's key for some of you new traders. A lot of new traders, I get it in the Discord, I get it in messages. Hey, am I too late for the move? Hey, can I still get in? Now, I can't tell you what to do. This isn't financial advice. This Discord is for training purposes only. Yes, call outs are made, but you have to follow based on your charting. But the reality is, if you miss the first pop or the first move, you can use the information you've learned in candlestick trading and all of our training and what we discussed in this video today. You can use that to give you the confidence to know if the hold or if the move is still good to the upside or to the downside. In this case, I'm looking at the candlesticks. They don't break my level. I have market sentiment working with me. I've got confirmation that I held at a major level. I'm good to go. And remember this, folks. Remember, in our Discord, we teach folks to take profit at their levels, right? And simply slide your stop loss as you're moving. It's a reason why I'm known in our Discord and really in the trading community. I don't have red days. I don't have red weeks. Even when I take a loss here and there, it's not a major loss. I can go anywhere from 35 to 45 straight trades and maybe have 3 or 4 losses here and there. Now, how is that possible? How is it possible to be that consistent, to have that much consistency and profitability in the market? Well, just what we're talking about here. I understand and respect my levels. I understand what moves the market, and I just simply trade the levels. And when I get the confirmation, the hold at a level that we've worked so hard to develop, when I get that confirmation, then I have to take the trade. So this is just a simple video to discuss with you guys how to fine-tune your trading for perfect entries and exits at a macro level, really breaking down what I'm looking at intraday, during the day, as the trade is going. What am I looking at to know, all right, can I add more size here? Can I enter a different position here? Should I, completely exit here? Is it time to size up, right? Is it time to, have risk off, right? Now, of course, to be fair, yes, there are other things we are absolutely looking at. But at this point, we're already in the trade. So if you're already in the trade and you're in profit and you're looking to understand, well, how do I know to trust my level? One indicator is you can read the price action and the candlesticks to get a good idea of where to go. So this has just been a short video on how to fine-tune your trading for perfect entries and exits. Do yourself a favor. Click the link down below, folks. Come into the Wealth Wells. There are so many people in here who have changed and turned their trading journey around. A lot of folks crushing it every single day. We trade SPY and SPX on the daily, and when other setups present themselves in the market, you'll get those beautiful call outs in the general chat channel. And boy, oh boy, did we crush it this week, or did we crush it? Man, beautiful trades made on Apple, IWM, SPX, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and so many others, guys. So many others. Giving me a thumbs up there. Excellent trades. Come into the Wealth Wells. Let us change your trading journey. This has just been a short video on fine-tuning your entries and exits. I hope this has been helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next training. KDW, signing out.